tutor Shaili Mondol Das. Today I discuss about the topic the how to set the routines for the autistic child. Let's see.
Setting a routine for an autistic child is very helpful because it gives them the predictability, security, and reduces anxiety. Many autistic children thrive when they know what to expect. Here's a step-by-step guide for creating supportive daily routine. Start with basics. Includes the essential fast wake up, meals, school, therapy, playtime, bedtime. Keep these times consistent every day, including weekends if possible. Use visual support. Create a visual schedule with pictures, symbols, or written words depending on your child's level. Example: a sun for morning, a plate for lunch, a book for study, a ball for play, a bed for sleep. Place it somewhere visible, the fridge, wall, or a portable chart. Break activity into small steps. Instead of get ready for school, use smaller steps. Brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, pack bag, put on shoes. This helps reduce overwhelm. Balance structure or flexible time. Miss structure activities, studies, therapy with free play or the choice time. Too much rigidity can increase stress, so allow the short breaks or calming time. Prepare for the transition. Transitions can be difficult. Use timer or alarms, 5 minutes warning before changing activity. A transition object like carrying a toy, book from one place to another, short verbal clues. In 2 minutes playtime ends. Next is dinner. Includes interest and strengths. Add your child's favorite activity, music, drawing, puzzle, outdoor plays. Use special interest as motivation or rewards after completing tasks. Bedtime routines. Consistency at night is very important. Keep a calm routine. Brush teeth, pajamas, bedtime stories, music, lights out. Avoid screen time at least 1 hour before sleep. Be consistent but flexible. Stick to the routines most of the time, but prepare your child in advance if something will change. Doctors visit family outing. Use visual changes cards or explain the change simply. Simple daily routine for an autistic child. Adjust as needed. 7 a.m. wake up, brush teeth, get dressed. 7:30 a.m. breakfast. 8 a.m. school learning activity. 12:30 p.m. lunch. 1 p.m. rest quiet time. 2 p.m. play therapy, speech OT if schedule. 3 outdoor play exercise. 4 free play special interest activity. 5 snacks. 5:30 homework or skill practice. 6:30 family time, games, music, story. 7 p.m. dinner. 8 p.m. relax, both calming activity. 8:30 p.m. bedtime routine. 9 sleep.
Our online offline speech therapy, occupational therapy and ABA therapy session is also available. Your booking number is available on the screen. Thank you.